Hello students, welcome to our e-learning class. Now I will take your computer. I hope you all followed your computer class also. So previous day I completed the chapter number 1. Today we will do the book exercise. My practice zone. Please all of you take out your computer book. There is an exercise and we will solve this answer in our book. There is a fill in the blanks we will do in our book. There is a true false we will solve and write the answer in our book, but the oral questions and think and do that question answer we will write beside, okay, or in our copy or in our notebook. Anywhere you can write the question answer, but the short question fill in true false tick the correct we will solve in our book. Okay, please all of you take out your computer book, page number 15. Page number 15, my practice zone. This is a book exercise. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, fill in the blanks. A machine is a device made by humans. A machine is a device made by humans. H-U-M-A-N-S. Full stop. Next, number B. Machines save our T dash M dash and E dash E dash dash Y. What? Machines save our T-I-M-E, time, and energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Number C. Machines require human power, H-U-M-A-N, human power, P-O-W-E-R, human power, or electricity, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y, electricity, or dash, F dash dash L, fuel, F-U-E-L, fuel, to work. Okay, machines require human power, electricity, or fuel to work. Now number D. A C dash M dash U dash dash R is a smart machine which never makes mistakes. Who you can mistake, but machine, computer cannot mistake. A computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. A computer is a smart machine which never makes mistakes. Okay, this is your fill in the blanks. You all will copy in your book. You all will fill up this fill in the blanks in your book. Okay, next, true false. Next, true false. Number 2, true or false. A. A computer is a smart machine which is used for storing information. A computer is a smart machine which is used for storing information. Computer is a smart machine which is used for storing information. Yes, computer can store lots of information. So this is true. T. T for true and A for false. And you know, everybody knows that fuel. What is fuel? Is a diesel, petrol. That is a fuel. Okay. And now here is the storing information. This is true. T for true. Next, B. A computer makes its own decision without taking help from us. A computer makes its own decision without taking help from us. Computer can take any decision? No, computer cannot take. It's not a human being. It doesn't have any feeling. So whatever instruction we are given, that computer can do only that part. So it is false. Computer cannot take its own decision. This is false. Number C. A computer gets tired when it works hard. Computer gets tired when it work hard? Never. Computer never gets tired. We feel tired, but computer never feel tired. Computer never, because it is a machine. It is a machine. Whole day it can run. So it is also false. Computer gets tired when it work hard. It is false. Now the last one, number D. A computer is used by us to make our computer is used by us to make our work easy by saving time and energy. A computer is used by us. Obviously, computer is used by us to make our work easy by saving time and energy. Yes, computer save our time and energy. So, using the computer, we can do make our work easy by saving time and energy. This is true. This is true. T. So, first is true, second number B false, C false, and D is true. Okay, children, today this much. You all will learn in your home, learn the chapter, and then after you all will read this question answer. That means is fill in the blanks and true false. Next day we will do the rest of the part. Next day we will complete the rest of the part. Okay. Thank you, student. See you next class.